So guys, this is just brand new Nokia E65, as you can see. So we will unbox it. Let's unbox. You can see over here, it's Nokia E75, that is in red color. Okay, we are going to unbox it now. There's a 3-pin charger, small pin. Here's a hand tool. Wow, stylish. This is USB. Here we got this. It's a gift. It's mobile pouch. I think it's the original one. Written Nokia E series. You can see the stuff which Nokia sends in the box. Just like these brochures and a guideline for E series, and that's the one, a huge booklet. Okay, now we are going to review this, the mighty Nokia. Oh my god, where you find this, where you will find this in these days? Great. You can see these camera buttons, volume up and down. There is a jack. It's a USB jack. There's a card slot, micro SD, and boom boom, you can see. Oh wow, it's a boom boom. Didn't get anything else. Oh my god, here is the battery one. It's a Nokia battery, the mighty battery. Let's open this. Wow. So guys, this was the review for Nokia E series. We just reviewed the old version, Nokia E75. It was launched in 2009, and Stay tuned for other best videos. Just subscribe my channel and I will upload the beautiful videos in upcoming sessions. Take care guys.